Telegram web, how to connect. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva, back with another video. In this video, you'll learn how to use Telegram web on your computer. It's a simple process, folks. You can download the app or use Telegram in your browser, your choice. So let's get started, everyone. First step is to type Telegram web in the Google search bar. Hit enter. Click on the first option that appears, web.telegram.org. Here you'll see this QR code to scan. Open your phone, go to Settings, Devices, and click on the desktop device link. I'll show you the steps now on my phone. Open Telegram. Tap the 3 lines up here. Click on Settings. Scroll down, tap on Devices, then connect Desktop while using the app. Now just scan the code, folks. Now you'll need to enter your password, then click on Next. Telegram successfully connected. Did it work? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks.